Meaning of iambus.
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 Iambus. Iambus refers to a metrical foot in poetry, consisting of an unstressed syllable followed by a stressed syllable. It is commonly used in English language poetry and is often compared or contrasted with its opposite, the trochee. The iambic meter has a natural rhythm that can create a sense of forward motion or momentum in a poem. Notable examples of iambic poetry include Shakespeare's plays and sonnets, as well as the work of many modern poets. Overall, the iambus is an important aspect of poetic form and can greatly impact the tone and meaning of a poem.